Okay, for example 2, we also have a two-step equation. Now we have two fractions involved, so it looks a little bit more difficult, but honestly, it's the same skill, you guys. So off to the left side, I went ahead and made a treasure map for us. Our x in this problem is getting multiplied by 5/12, and then that is getting subtracted by 2/3. So here we are at the end of the equation. I forgot to draw my little stick figure. So we want to go backwards, reversing what we see happening. So what is the opposite of subtracting 2/3? Well, that would be adding 2/3. So I'll go ahead and add 2/3 on both sides of my equation. Here's where my equal sign is, so I need to make sure that I'm being balanced. So when I do that, the negative 2/3 and positive 2/3 cancel. So on the right side, I still have the 5/12 x. And then on the left side, let's see, that would be 1/3. Feel free to use a calculator, it is fine. So that removes this obstacle. Yay! Down to one more step. So we have an x that is multiplied by 5/12. So to get rid of multiplying by a fraction, you can multiply by the reciprocal. That's how we divide fractions. So let me switch colors again. Ooh, see if I can squeeze it in here. I'm going to move this x over a little bit so I have a little bit more space. Okay. So now let me switch colors. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, which would be 12/5. 12/5 have to be fair on both sides. You can see that in the green. On the right side, the 5's cancel and the 12's cancel. That gets your x by itself. And then on the left side, let's see, 12 divided by 3, I can look at that numerator divided by that denominator. That would be 4. So in my numerators, I have a 4 times 1, which is 4. And in my denominators, I have just a 5, or 5 times 1, which is 5. So 4/5 is my answer to that problem.